Alright, boom boom car. Oh. Boom boom car wash. So, right here we got some towels to wash it with. Oh, they're gonna get wet anyway. We got some dish soap and a fresh gallon of sauce. Alright.
Oh my god! No way, no way.
Bro, that was $40.
Just
Just wasted.
Oh my god! Dude.
Oh man. Oh, okay.
That'd be funny if I just...
Let's go for it.
Dude, watch it!
Yeah!
Oh my...
Ew!
Oh my god!
Ew! Oh god, car, I'm sorry. This is gross! Ew!
Oh, it smells so bad!
Ew! Ew! Oh, look at my windows! It looks like bird! Ew!
Oh my god.
Oh man! Oh my god!
Your car is ruined! You're not gonna get a car wash.
Oh! Look at the windshield!
Oh my... Oh my god!
That's not good for the inside of my car, man. Oh my god! Speaking in my car! Look at it! Ah! We gotta get something! How do I drive with that? How? You hear me? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this disgusting mess on my car. Are you kidding me?
Oh my god. Look at the windshield, dude.
Bet you won't do a belly flop on the car.
Absolutely not. No way.
No, I think it's coming out the bottom. Look at it. Look at my tires. They're covered in sauce. Look at the ground over here.
Oh my god, the mist got in my eyes. Oh my god.
Right in my light. Yeah. Okay. Clean out the grill. We don't want any sauce everywhere.
Why not?
What is this? Oh, I scratched the hood. Oh. Not with the sauce. It's just that was there before probably. I would do it again.
It would cost another 40. This is an expensive car wash.
Yeah, $40. Squirtle's gonna come right off. Make sure you take your stickers off before.
It cleans so much that it just seeps through the stickers and cleans.
Exactly. Nice. Trunk is just about.
Just look at the river.
Yeah. Take a look at the river.
All the way down. It's going all the way down the river. Oh my god. He's getting in on the action.
This guy had been filming us the past couple days when we were screaming last Wednesday, and this time he was just filming my whole car wash. He said he was posting it to Facebook, and I was like, oh, okay. I guess I have a fan next door. Yeah. Oh, no, he said he's gonna put it on Facebook.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, we're going famous. That was Boom Boom Car Wash.
Yes, sir.